Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the second part of this video. In this video, what we'll do is we'll set up our development environment so that we can go ahead and build a chatbot. So to begin with, this is how your folder structure is going to look like. This is the main folder structure. You'll have a tools.py file, a requirements.txt file, a readme, main.py, and I will not open the .env file. You know why. So these are all the files that you're going to have in your main folder. All right. So you just need to have your requirements.txt to begin with. And then after doing that, please add in all of these details, LangChain, Wikipedia, LangChain community as well, .env, Pydantic, DuckDuckGo search, LangChain with Google integration, and GenAI as well. So you need all of these simple basic libraries to get the job done. And after you create this requirements.txt file, you can just do a Python. I think it's Python install -r and then requirements.txt. And then once you do this, is go ahead and basically install all of these required libraries into your project workspace. So that's one thing. Next, you're going to have your main.py file and then tools.py file. So it's going to be very simple code, pretty straightforward as well. So we'll get started with this in the next video. So that's about it for your, oh no, wait, before that, lastly, a .env file is also required. Inside the .env file, let me do one thing. Let me create a .env2 file. So this .env2 file will have Google AI API key equal to, and then so your API key. So this is what it's going to look like. That's about it. The same thing for the .env file as well. All right, folks. See you in the next video where we'll actually go ahead and build a chatbot. See you. Bye.